This is God of This City in the key of C. It's a really simple way to chord along with this song. Make sure to stop the video, click on the description below, and I do have the chord sheet that you can print out and follow along with me. Okay, so in the key of C, we have C, F, G, and then we have an A minor. So there's just a lot of simplicity to this song. Let's go through those chords. We have C chord, C, E, G, A minor, A, C, E, F chord, F, A, C, and G chord. Right up next door, G, B, D, okay? And let me just say that you can have a lot of flexibility with chording. So if you'd like to play the C chord up here or the C chord down here, feel free to do that. Just because I play it a certain way doesn't make you feel boxed in. You can have a lot of flexibility. Okay, so let's review. We have C, F, G, and then A minor is right next door. All right, left hand is going to be playing single notes, and we're just going to match them up. So if this is C note, we're going to play a C chord. A minor with A in the bass, F, and G. Okay, all right, the rhythm that we're going to bring the two hands together is called together, right, together, right, together, right, together, right, or a 1 to 2 ratio. Okay, and you can practice that on the A minor and so on. Okay, all right, so I'm going to sing through verse 1 so you can see how it's going to sound. I just want to mention a few things. So verse 1 and 2, there's a lot of just simplicity with A minor, F, A minor, F, and then we'll get into the pre-chorus and chorus. But just notice how simple that is, okay? All right. You're the God of this city. You're the King of these people. You're the Lord of this nation. You are. You're the light in this darkness. You're the hope to the hopeless. You're the peace to the restless. You are. And then it goes into the pre-chorus. There is no one like our God. All right, let's go back to verse 1. So it's just kind of vamping on this A minor over and over and letting that beautiful melody of your voice fill it in. You're the God of this city. You're the King of these people. You're the Lord of this nation. You are, switches to that F. Okay. You're the light in this darkness. You're the hope to the hopeless. You're the peace to the restless. You are F. Okay, pre-chorus coming in. A minor, G, F. Repeat that again. There is no one like you, God. Then the G. Greater things have yet to come. G chord. Greater things have still to be done in this C chord. City. Repeat that again. F of things have yet to come, and greater things have still to be done here. Okay, and then that verse 2, like I said, it matches up with that verse 1, so there's just that A minor, F, A minor, F. So that pre-chorus is kind of where it might catch you off guard. It goes, and you could just block chord this here. You could just go, there is no one like our God. A minor again. There is no one like you, God. And then the G. Kind of pick it up there. Greater things have yet to come,